There are 89,000 technicians working for Honda around the world. With supreme technical skill, it makes the life with motorcycle more free and safer. That is our mission. Honda has been selling the highest volume of motorcycles throughout the world, contributing to people's mobility and everyday life, striving to bring joy and smile to everyone all over the world. That is why we're putting relentless effort on our skills. Somewhere in the world today, Honda technicians, all of us are continuously taking insatiable challenges. Soon to kick off Honda Global Technician Contest to award #1 winner among the best technicians worldwide. With infinite power we possess, let's take another step forward with the pride of being #1 brand. Challenge the top of the world's superior technical skill.